Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
HMD Global showcased 5 phones at its event in Barcelona ahead of the Mobile World Congress, which starts from February 25th. Other than Nokia 9 PureView, which has the world's first penta-lens camera setup, Nokia 2.10, Nokia 4.2, Nokia 3.2 and Nokia 1 Plus were showcased as well. Nokia 2.10 is an internet-enabled feature phone that comes with an app store as well as Opera browser preloaded. It has a 2.4-inch screen, 120 mAh battery and dual SIM support. The price is $35. Nokia 1 Plus, which is a revamped version of Nokia 1 Android Go Edition smartphone, comes with Android 9 Pie Go Edition, designed to run on entry-level smartphones. It sports a 3D nano-textured back design, 5.45-inch display, 5MP front camera and 2500 mAh battery. Priced at $99, it will go on sale starting from mid-March. The mid-range Nokia 4.2 gets dual rear cameras, 5.71-inch display and Snapdragon 439 processor. Nokia has added a notification light on the power button. The price is $169 and it will start shipping in April. The Nokia 3.2 comes at a lower price of $139. It has a bigger 6.26-inch screen and is powered by a Snapdragon 429 processor. Both Nokia 3.2 and Nokia 4.2 have a dedicated button for Google Assistant as well as Face Unlock feature.